guys? Welcome back to Palm Springs Daily Driven. Got my buddy here. I'm about to introduce you to him. He's got his Lexus. You know, we're out here. We've got a nice little spot. Got the beamer lights on. Got the nice background. Got our mountains, got our clouds. Got our sun going down. I'm gonna introduce you to my boy over here. This is Junior.
Nice to meet you.
I'll show you guys his car. Let's go over.
I got a 1993 Lexus ST400, 1UZ FE.
Cypher.
V8 32 valve,
Okay.
4 channels,
Alright.
HPS intake, little budget build plastic because I got the wrong year. On some coilovers, on some Acura wheels. Gutted out back seats, gutted out front.
Weight reduction, guys. Weight reduction.
Free weight reduction.
Yeah.
And then I got a Lexus GS300 rear differential. So other than that, my straight pipe is done. And then after that, pretty much just be done.
Alright guys, so we're gonna cut a little short today. I was gonna get into some stuff. However, we did find someone's purse right here. And we're about to go return it. So we're gonna take a little cruise over to the Hilton off Topwitz in Palm Springs. Cool. We're gonna drop this woman or lady or girl's purse off. Find some other spots to go to.
Bitch, I'm that guy and you and my radicals. Nigga, they hate, but they shorty was sucking me up. She eat me like edibles. They said it was for me, they lied, so I work alone like this. These niggas need to relax, yeah. I heard he ain't really on shit. Chain on me, we're like a grip. No, I don't love that little bitch. I don't know how to commit, yeah. I need me a Xana, some liquor, or lean or some weed. Gotta get my mind right. I'm out of my mind, I'm sober, I feel like a fiend. I need a vibe right. Chain on me cold, like negative 30 degrees. Touching you dying tonight. Stay with a 30, it's loaded if you wanna beef. This ain't no iron sight. My shit like iron high. That shit don't go. I got the aim, I don't need no scope. She thinks she with me, but that bitch is on me. This bitch give me throat, sucking me clean and she gotta go. I stay with my team while you riding alone. They never got bling, but it ain't no real gold. Louis on me, it's all white like some coke. Water on me, need a boat. Your ship gon' sink and I float. I feel like I'm walking in snow. These bitches want me like a show. Niggas, I'm froze. I feel like I'm frozen. Said they gon' pull up and ride. Well, come and get me, my nigga. I'm home alone.
Mission complete.
And he's gonna get a job.
This is dope right here, dude. Socks and sandals.
And look at these whips right here.
Good night. Dude, it's a bi-turbo, so I mean it's got two turbos, but it's two turbos in one. Yeah, it's two turbos in one. So it's got two openings on two valves. With the bi-turbo, I think I looked it up the other day.
That needs to get in there too, huh? Look at that. Charlotte, fool.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Salutes.
Clickbait. That's what it's called. Clickbait. Clickbait.
Except you didn't put your number in there, so I mean
970.
blank, blank, blank,
Go
blank,
on my
blank.
Instagram.
My name is Junior. Actually, my real name's Francisco. I'm in the 93 Lexus again. For the most part, I just like going around and finding people to race and driving around, cruising, chilling. 21, born in Palm Springs. Currently living in DHS. And yeah, in the free time we just go around and like to drive. Car's really bouncy because I blow on struts right now. So when we get up to speed, you'll see what I mean. I don't know if he's gonna be able to hold the camera still.
It's gonna be a massage chair, but I'm ready.
Yeah, this shit's gonna be like, this shit's gonna be bouncing. No, we'll do a few pulls too.
Hell yeah.
I'm not about that driving slow shit. Well, except for when we gotta get his views. That Japanese V8.
Damn, she pulls.
Yeah, it's a pretty fun car for being $1,100. And
Oh, there's Victor in the back.
Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. Once again, thank you bro for coming out.
thanks for
Nice seeing that Lexus in action. Got a little bit of everything we raced. Got some pictures, we got some videos. And the next one we're gonna have another car. Hopefully we get to reveal our buddy's car. And we'll see what that bitch can do. Thank you everybody, like and subscribe.